Here we go. Oh yeah, triple foam. Do you like that foam? Yeah, buddy. Look how powerful the top brush is. Watch and learn.
I hope he goes to jail for a long time.
He is going to jail.
He's gonna suicide himself watch.
Nope, I want him to live through the whole thing. I want him to suffer.
Yep, we're extra shiny today. Right, Daddy?
Yeah.
There's another top brush.
Another one?
Yep.
Oh my god. This actually turned out to be a very long car wash.
So Marissa, my friend, she's on the board, on the city council board, and she goes once a month, I think, and that's when like business owners propose like locations where they want to put stuff.
Is this your favorite car wash of all?
And she's very about like the environment and stuff, and so she'll be like denies all the car washes.
Why?
It's a waste of water.
They put
Do you
one
like-
right next to where we're gonna live.
Mommy, do you like the car wash? You like the car wash?
Yeah.
They put one right there where we live.
And they put a WOW or something in Summerlin. Is the land that expensive?
What about a LUV car wash? I
DM'd the owner of my Pilates studio, and I'm like, please put one in Summerlin. And she's like, it is outrageous, the rent and like all of that for the studio. I was like, well, you can afford it. You have like 4 other studios.